Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be about how to change the engine oil of Honda Activa. Now firstly start the engine and warm up. Remove the dipstick. Locate the drain bolt. Remove the dipstick and check the engine oil level and its color. Use a cutting plier. Now this oil has done around 3000 km, so it's time to change the engine oil. When you change the oil level, check out that it is between the upper and lower mark of the gauge as shown in the dipstick. Now you need a 12 mm ring size spanner to remove the drain bolt. Now you can see the oil is draining out. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to completely drain out. As I told you before, the oil level should be between these two marks. Thank you for watching friends. Subscribe for more videos.